Hello students, in this video you will learn how to find out a square of a number using shortcut methods. Now in this video we will see second shortcut method for squaring a number. So second shortcut method for squaring a number is diagonal method. So I have taken here a question. Find the square of 39 by using the diagonal method. For this, first you have to draw a square. Here you can see two digits number I have taken. 39 is two digits number. So you will create 2 by 2 matrix. Means this square you have to divide into 4 small squares. So you can see in the picture how will you divide it. After dividing the bigger square into a smaller square, you have to draw diagonal inside the each square. Inside the each square. So after drawing diagonals, you have to write digits of this 39 at the top of the square, 3 and 9 like this, and again in the left side of this square 3 and 9 like this, horizontally and vertically. After writing horizontally and vertically, you have to multiply this 3 by 3 and 9, which is at the top of this square, one by one, and fill the product in this square that you have divided using diagonals. You can see here, and then after dividing it by the diagonal, you have got two triangles. So one digit you have to fill in these triangles. So here when I am multiplying this 3 by 3, 3 3s are 9, but 9 is of one digit number. You have to make it of two digits number, and you know how will you make it. You have to place 0 before 9. Then like this you will write 0 here in the first triangle and 9 in the second triangle. Then you have to multiply this 3 by 9. 3 9s are 27. Then 2 here and 7 in the next triangle. So 3, this 3 is before this first row, or you can show in the first row, that you have to multiply by the 3 and 9, which is in the first column and second column. Okay, now multiply this 9 by 3 and again 9 by 9 and write in these triangles. 9 3s are 27, 2 here and 7 in the next triangle. 9 9s are 81, 8 here and 1 in the next triangle. After doing this work, you have to add diagonally all the digits. You can see I am hovering the hand. You can see how, like this. So like this you will add. So here is only 1. So its addition is 1, but you have to represent into two digit numbers. Here you can see. Then 7 plus 8 plus 7, 22. I have written. 2 plus 9 plus 2, 13. I have written, and 0 is here alone, then 0. After writing it, here you have written 1 into 2 digits number. You have to underline ones place digit and carry tens plus digit and add with the next addition. Here you can see I have added 22 plus 0, 22. Then again leave here 2, which is at the ones place, and the 2 which is at the tens place carry and add with the next addition. 13 plus 2, 15. Here again leave 5 which is at the ones place and carry 1 and add with the next addition, which is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. In the last, which number you have got? 1 here. है ना? If here is 2 digits number, 3 digits number, all digits you have to underline. Like here, like here, you have not to underline only ones place digit. All number, complete number you have to underline. Here 1 is as a complete number. So I have underlined here 1. Now you have to take all the underlined digits or numbers. Number here, for here I am telling number, but for here all the underlined digits, and write together. That will give you the square of the given number. So our number is here 39, and the underlined digits or numbers are 1, 5, 2 and 1. You can see here I have written together 1, 5, 2, 1. So a square of 39 is equal to 1521. So like this you can use diagonal method for calculating the square of any number. Here I have taken 2 digits number. Now here I have taken 3 digits number 527. Also you have to calculate its square by using the diagonal method. So here 3 digits number, then how many small squares you will draw here? So for that you have to use method 3 into 3, means 3 by 3 matrices you have to draw here. So using this 3 by 3 matrix you can calculate the square of 3 digits number. You can see whatever you have done for 2 digits number, the same process you have to do here. Only the number of small squares are increased. So this bigger square you have to divide into 3 parts, vertically and horizontally. Then you will get 3, 3, 6 and 3, 9 squares, small squares. You have to also write digits of the number here one by one. Number is 527. Its digits are 5, 2 and 7. Like this you have to write at the top of the square, and in the left side of the square also 5 to 7. Multiply the digit which is in front of the first row by the digits which is at the top of the columns, one by one. 5 5s are 25, I have written. 5 2s are 10, 1 0 I have written. 5 7s are 35, 3 5 I have written. Now 2 5s are 10, 1 0 I have written. 2 2s are 4, 0 and 4 I have written. Pay attention here. 2 7s are 14, 1 and 4 I have written. 7 5s are 35, 3 and 5 I have written. 7 2s are 14, 1 and 4 I have written. 7 7s are 49, 4 and 9 I have written. Then add all the digits diagonally like this. Diagonally you have to add all the digits and follow the same rule whatever you have done for the 2 digits number. So you can see here 9 is the addition, with 0 I have written. 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12. 5 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 5, 16. 3 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3, 6. 1 plus 5 plus 1, 7. And then 2 in the last. And the same process, leave 1's place digit here and carry 10's place digit and add with the next addition. 12 here, 2 I am leaving here, which is at the 1's place, and 1 I am carrying and add with the next addition. 17, 7 I am leaving here, 1 I am carrying and add with the next addition. 6 plus 1, 7. I have written into two digits number. So 7 I am leaving here and 0 I am carrying. Then 7 plus 0, 7. Again 7 I am leaving here, 0 I am carrying. 2 plus 0, 2. Here in the last I have underlined completely. Then after I will write all underlined digits together. Then it will give the square of 527. So here you have got a square of 527. 2,77,729. So like this you can solve. Thank you.